I apologize in advance if a lot of this is out of focus. It's really hard to see this little video monitor in the sun. This is a 2010 Harley-Davidson FLHTCUTG, the Tri-Glide in color Vivid Black. It has slightly under 7,000 miles on it. V-twin engine. 6-speed transmission. Like many people, I used to scoff at these until I rode one. Get them up to highway or freeway speed. Heading out on a little vacation. Like floating on a cloud. This Vivid Black Beauty is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.